I had a bad ECM 2.3 variable control module on my HVAC motor. I purphased and replaced the part myself, however the fan only runs on low setting. I suspect there is programming that needs to be done. How can I go about programming this module? What items would I need to successfully do it?
Hello. My name is XXXXX. Do my best to assist you. Answers are not always one-liners. Please hit reply button for further assistance. Thanks. You will need the ECM motor programmer discussed in this link http:/www.medifier.com/view/?x64ha9n9 qufu airheatman 41086.7729933218.
I guess I got the answer. I can't program it without a $500 programmer that I can't buy unless I have an account. I'll resolve it some other way, I guess.
Unfortunately, Trane has some seemingly unconstitutional rules they get by with. I am a licensed, insured and state-certified HVAC contractor, and they will not sell to me because I am not willing to become a Trane dealer. One of the reasons I never recommend their products. By selling only to their dealers, they provide their dealers with the opportunity to charge ridiculously high prices, as if you want their product serviced, you must use their dealer. Sorry about your situation. Hope you the best in getting everything resolved and working.
If you have a home improvement or appliance question and want to chat with an expert, now visit JustAnswer.com/YTHI.